In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by going into Tap menu. Following that, look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then in the pop-up to disable location, select close. So when I click and go back to check my shortcut, I can see that location was successfully disabled. But you can always enable it by tapping on the same one again. If you wish to, you can also just go into devices settings instead. And after scrolling down, accessing location section. Finally, to manage it, tap on this switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!